Renegade Industrial is known for their affordable, heavy-duty solutions to essential products for the workplace. The Renegade Industrial 300mm exhaust ventilator fan is no exception, with durable construction and high performance. These ventilator fans are ideal for temporary or permanent ventilation in construction areas and even welding operations. They are also suitable for drying applications in industries such as cleaning, restoration, and building maintenance. This unit comes with a 5-meter hose, but we have a 10-meter variant available in stores and online. They're easy to use with a quick and simple attachment process. The featured 520-watt fan has a diameter of 300mm or 12 inches. That has a max speed of 2,800 RPM with an airflow rate of 65 meters cubed per minute. The powder-coated design means it's going to last for ages, and the rubber feet keeps vibrations to a minimum and keeps the unit locked to the ground. It also comes with a handle for easy movement around the workplace. These units are super popular, so make sure you grab one at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.